Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this full face of makeup using only one brand, Frankie Rose. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and what products I used for this flawless skin and makeup, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by getting my hair out of the way, and I'm actually going to use my cute little Frankie Rose scrunchie. They sent this to me, and it's perfect for getting my hair out of the way so I can focus on my makeup and not have anything in my way. And it's so cute. Look at this. I am very pasty right now. I need a tan, but hopefully my foundation still matches my skin. Okay, so I'm going to start with the face primer. This is the Prime Addiction face primer, and I cannot wait until you see this under my foundation. It looks so good. Oh my god. So it's clear. It's hard to see here, but I'm just gonna take a little bit from the lid because there's a little bit stuck in the lid. A little bit goes a long way, so I'm just gonna take a small pea size amount and I'm gonna apply this mainly to my T-zone area, but then I'm gonna work the rest of the product into the rest of my face, and this creates the smoothest canvas for your face. I did a video using this primer and the Frankie Rose foundation on TikTok. I don't know if you saw that, but oh my god, you'll see in a minute. And this primer retails for $42. It will last forever because, like I said, a little bit goes a long way and it makes your skin look flawless. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Matte Perfection foundation now. I'm using the shade Bare, and I'm going to use the Frankie Rose foundation brush to apply the foundation. I think I'm just going to apply it directly to my face, and then I'm going to use the brush to brush it out. I love using a brush for my foundation. I always use a brush for my foundation, and this one from Frankie Rose is so good. I'll zoom you in when I'm done, but like I said, I am a little pasty, so my foundation might be a little bit dark for me, but I know that I'm going to blend it and make it work. I did get this color over summer when I had more of a tan, and usually I am fake tanning during this time of the year. I just haven't because I haven't had time, but I'm not worried about that because I know that I'm going to be able to blend this out and it's going to look perfect. And blending your foundation down your neck is always going to help it look seamless. So I'm going to zoom you in so you can see this foundation closer up. This formula is great. This is a water-based foundation, so it's really good for all skin types. As you can see, it looks flawless on the skin. I also don't have any foundation on my eye area because I am going to add a little bit of concealer and eyeshadow, so when I do that, I tend to keep the under eye area free of foundation. I just prefer to do that when applying, but you can tell the difference in the coverage. Obviously, this is a very nice coverage foundation. It is a medium to full coverage, so it doesn't look too heavy. It literally just looks perfect. And the finish is semi-matte, so it's not fully matte, but it's not super glowy where you're gonna look like greasy or anything. It's literally the best coverage ever. It looks very natural on the skin. It looks pretty. And this is just with the foundation alone, no powder or concealer yet. So I'm obsessed with this finish. This foundation retails for $36, and I am wearing the shade Bare. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the Frankie Rose Our Little Secret concealer. I'm using the shade Fresh, and I'm just going to apply a little bit right here in the inner corner area of my eyes, and then I like to take a little bit right here just to give my eyes like a lifted look. And I also use concealer as an eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to do that as well. I'll put a little bit on my chin. Also, you can use a lighter concealer shade to kind of brighten up a foundation that may be a little bit too dark for you. So I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer here and on my chin as well. And then I'm going to use my new favorite concealer brush that I've been using in literally every single makeup video for the last month. This is the Frankie Rose concealer brush, and it is amazing. And I'm just going to use this to blend out this concealer. When I'm using a brush, I'm using tapping motions, and it just gives the best seamless blend ever. I love it. So So I'm going to tap this out. I like to keep this placement like a line. It's very subtle once it's blended, but it still gives my eye like a nice lift. And then I just tap the concealer all over my eyelid so that I have a nice base for my eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to be using the Frankie Rose Pro Contour Palette for multiple things today, starting with eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. It has 6 different shades in it. It has setting powders, brightening powders, a highlight shade, and then contour and bronzing shades, so that's perfect. And this retails for $42. It's great because you can use it to highlight, you can use it to brighten your face, you can use it as an eyeshadow like I'm going to right now. It's just so versatile, so I really love this palette, and I am using it for just a subtle, easy, natural looking eye look today. I'm starting with this contour shade here in the middle, and I'm just blowing this all over my eyelid. This is how I do my everyday makeup look. I always use a bronzer or a contour for my everyday eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the darkest contour shade, and I'm just gonna deepen this outer corner area a little bit. I always blow my shadow. See how I'm taking it all the way out here? I always do that again to give my eye like a lifted look. And I'm using the darkest shade. And then I'm going to take some on the inner corner of my eye, and again just blowing this all over the lid using the contour palette. Okay, so I've completed this eyeshadow look using these 2 shades right here, the 2 darkest contour shades, which are called Tempting and Heated. Now I'm going to take this lighter setting shade right here. This is called Dollface, and I am going to take a little bit of that on this brush, and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner just to brighten up this inner corner area of my eyelid, and that will be it for this eyeshadow look. And it just kind of brightens up the shadow just a bit. Before I finish with this palette, I'm also going to use it to contour. So I think I'm going to use this middle shade right here to begin with because, like I said, I am a little pasty right now. So I don't want to use anything too dark. And I'm going to take it on this blush slash contour brush, also from Frankie Rose. It's like perfect. It's like a slanted fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply this right here, and I'm gonna contour my cheekbones a little bit on both sides. And then I am gonna take a little bit of the darkest contour shade just to kind of deepen this slightly. I don't want it to look too crazy because I am so pale right now, so I'm just gonna use a tiny bit and blend it out really nicely, and that's perfect. It gives me the perfect contour. And then I'm going to take some just along the sides of my nose just to kind of thin her out a little bit. And then I will warm up my hairline area just to give my face some color. I always do this when I am contouring my face. I also have a really large forehead, so I can afford to do this. And once my hair is down, I never wear my hair back like this. What do they call this? Like the colonial ponytail? Once my hair is down, this look is going to be fire. Okay, so I'm done contouring, but I think I'm going to take a little bit of this powder right here, this one in the middle called Dollface, and I am going to just very lightly set underneath my eyes and brighten up this area just a little bit. And then I'm going to throw on some lashes, and I'm so excited because I've never tried Frankie Rose lashes before, and I'm going to try them right here on camera with you guys. Okay, I have these 2 lashes from Frankie Rose. One is called Wispy Babe, and this one is called Iconic Babe. They're both so pretty, but I think I want to use these ones, the Wispy Babe lashes. So I'm gonna do what I normally do, which is only use 1 pair. This is what they look like. So pretty. I'm gonna take this out. So I always cut my lashes pretty much in half, and I only apply them to like from the middle to the outer corner. I never use a full strip anymore, which is great because my lashes last way longer. And these are like a tapered lash, so it's perfect. What I do is I fold them in half, and then I take some scissors and I cut them and I create 2 little halves. And I'll save this precious lash for later. And now that I have 2 lash pieces, I'm going to apply them to the outer corner of my eye. And and you'll see. I'll come back and you'll see how amazing they look. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you how I apply these. So I'm going to zoom you in. And I have the little half lash strip right here. I did put a little glue on it. I need to look in my mirror. So I take the lash, and like I said, it's tapered. So there's a shorter, there's like a shorter side and a longer side. Can you see that? The side that the tweezer is holding onto is obviously the shorter side, and then they taper out and they get longer here. So obviously you'd want to apply the longer end to the outer corner of your eye. And then because this inner corner side is shorter, it's gonna blend with your lashes, you'll see. So I'm gonna apply this just to the outer corner of my eye. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm just gonna make sure that they're on there, and I'm obviously gonna like squeeze them down with the tweezers, but can you see how lifted it makes my eye look? And it's more comfortable when you wear your lash strips this way, in my opinion, and it just opens up the eye more than wearing like a full lash strip. So that's how I personally wear my lashes. I'm gonna put the other one on and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I've got both lashes on now and they look beautiful, and this style is perfect for my method of lash application. So you're looking at them up close now, and this is what they look like from far away. Okay, and now I'm using the Frankie Rose lipstick in the shade Natural Beauty. This lip formula is so smooth and creamy, and this color is gorgeous. It's literally so pretty, so perfect, just like the perfect little pinky nude. This retails for $18, and that is it for this full face of Frankie Rose products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this look. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up so I know. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I will absolutely get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!